Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about drain valve for Pitco Part #PP10368. The drain valve for Pitco Part #PP10368 is a replacement part for Pitco fryers. It is designed to provide a quick and easy way to drain oil from the fryer. The valve is made of durable stainless steel and features a half NPT connection. It has an adjustable flow rate and can be used with either hot or cold oil. The valve also includes a check valve to prevent backflow of oil into the fryer. This drain valve is an essential part of any commercial kitchen as it helps to keep the fryer clean and free from clogs or other issues that can arise from improper. This part fixes the following symptoms. The drain valve for Pitco Part #PP10368 is used to replace a faulty or worn-out drain valve on a Pitco fryer. It can help to fix symptoms such as leaking oil, slow draining, or no draining at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the fryer. 2. Disconnect the gas line from the fryer and remove the old drain valve. 3. Install the new drain valve using a wrench to tighten it securely in place. 4. Reconnect the gas line to the fryer and turn on the gas supply. 5. Test the new drain valve by opening and closing it several times to ensure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.pa or FFPS to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.